don't know who is talking to me, or whether it is God or whether it is Satan. All I know is that I am hearing a voice. The spirit is communicating to me in form of prophecy. Whether it's going to be real, whether it's going to be fake, allegedly, I am hearing a voice. But before I tell you, I would like you to save this video for future reference. My brothers, the voice is telling me that in few years to come, that the same thing that is happening in a political scenario will soon begin to happen in Federal Football Association. The same scenario, the same marginalization, the same injustice that is happening in our political system today will sooner than later, it won't be too long, in few years to come, you begin to see what I'm telling you today. It will be transferred into the Football Association national team, whereby you begin to see a particular tribe, a particular set of people, a particular region being systematically withdrawn from the national team, both national and junior. You will see there will be a lack, a reduction in numbers of a particular region in the Football Association of this country. I don't know, as I said, allegedly, I am not a prophet, but all I know is that somebody, something, or a spirit is talking to me. How real, I don't know. Whether fake, I don't know. Who is talking to me, whether God, I don't know. Whether Satan, I don't know. It is my feelings, and I have to share it with you guys. And I advise you to save this video. This is not a kind of to cause chaos or whatever, but it is just to put your mind in order. It is just to prepare your mind for whatever that will come, so that when it happens, you will not feel so depressed, or you will not feel it so much. You will adapt to the system whenever you begin to see this, and I'm telling you. And our junior players, the incoming players, the next generation coming, just prepare your mind that the time is coming when you will become the best players in all the clubs in the world, but you might not be invited in the national team. You may not be invited in the junior team. Both men, both women. You see, this singular mistake that is not intentional. Some set of people are taking it so personal, and the level they have taken this particular thing to